Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently in Frankfurt City. Behind me is the famous Euro sign. So it shows that this area is actually the financial district of Frankfurt. Frankfurt is a walkable city. If you come to Frankfurt, you have to go to the river because Frankfurt is called Frankfurt am Main, Frankfurt on the river Main. I'm walking now towards the old town. So I'm now on the bridge, so I have a better view of the city. One thing I always wonder, you know, all these keys, all these locks, just wonder, are they still together? So now I'm going to the old part of the city. I'm approaching Market Square, Marktplatz. That is where in the old days they have all the markets around here. And with the town hall, Rax house is also around here. There are a lot of cafes, restaurants around the square. I just came to this fish restaurant and I ordered this bun with the fish inside and a glass of apple wine.
Das wollte ich auf keinen Fall.
Now I'm coming into a market hall. It's like a marketplace that you can actually buy. They're selling the food and then you can actually eat here. Yeah, lots of things to eat. Chocolate stores. Even on the first floor, there are restaurants. Go up. I thought it's cake. Thank you. Yeah, it looks like cakes. The tortellini and salami. Let's try the rice wine salami. It's a wild boar salami. The prices are very reasonable. It's not like, you know, like over expensive. Italian gelato.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
If you want to.
Okay. Right, thank you.
Germany is famous of this white asparagus. So I'm in the middle of Amsel here with all the shopping streets. Yet there is market stores that open for food and also for lots of meat and vegetables. This is the famous apple wine here in Frankfurt. It's a bit crowded over there. In coffee. Price is quite good. It's like €1 per pot. This market is just outside here, Constable Baher. They're selling all the different kinds of mushroom. This is me signing off from Frankfurt. Hope you enjoy the video and see you again.